Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find and copy Roblox ID, account ID. So if you would try to do this on your application, this wouldn't work. So what you actually need to do is go to your browser, go to roblox.com, and after you will be here and you will see this screen, you want to press continue in browser at the bottom. After that you will be connected to your account. Once you are connected to your account, you want to go ahead and press on your profile icon at the top here. And after that, now you need to go on the browser, as you can see on this path. And after the users, you will see the number. So this is your profile ID, which you can go ahead and copy. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.